Hi, sir. I think there's some network issue for Shaira, so she will join in like 2 minutes.
Uh, let's wait. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Sir, Shaira is trying to connect, but it keeps saying failed to connect to server.
Let,
Is it because of the network?
yeah, I think it is because you have joined with the link, right?
Yeah.
Or from Shaira side.
Oh,
Can I share the link once again?
Sorry?
I will share the link once again. Let's see.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hi, Shara. Yeah, Lakshmi also joined with the same link, but I think it's not only. Okay, let's start with. Think you can share. You can see my screen. Today we are discussing about loops. Okay, mainly we have two types of loops in Python: while loop and for loop. Yesterday we have seen about while true as an infinite loop. Now we are going to discuss about uh, while loop. Okay? While loop uh, will run based on conditions. Okay, based on conditions whether it is true or false. Okay, loops we have while and for loop. Okay, while don't try to save the directory names with the inbuilt libraries or modules. Okay, because it will import the directory which we have created. It will not import the if it in case when we are using any imports, it will import the directory which we have created, not the inbuilt modules. Okay. Sorry, not HTML file. Make dot make. Yeah. Why as I've said that while for example, if I want to print numbers from 1 to 10, we know how to print numbers from 1 to 10. We can use print statements. Okay. I'll print 1. I'll print if I want to print 1 to 10, I have to print each and every number, right? Like this and so on up to 5. If I want to print up to 5 numbers. But if you have 100 numbers, you can't use 100 printer. If you like that, you will have 1,000 lakhs of numbers. If you want to print that lakhs of numbers, you can't use print statements to each and every number. So to uh, uh, so we have loops to solve that issue. Okay, using while loop is very easy. You can use directly while loop like this by using while keyword. Okay, while I is greater than 0, print I. Let's see the output. You will get an error here. Let's see what is the error. You got an error like name I is not defined. Did you mean ID? So you have to define I before you are using do, because you are comparing something with another with something. Okay, so you have to define I. Not only I, you can use whatever you want. Okay, For example, if I'm taking I equal to 0 and I have used some conditions here, let's see the output now. I'm getting nothing. Here it is checking whether I is greater than 0 or not. Here the condition is false. So the while loop is not, so it is not entering inside the loop. Okay. While loop only executes when the condition is true. For example, you can also use else here. Else print end of loop. Okay. If the condition is false, I want to know whether the condition is false or else. Okay, you can the condition triggered some false. That means the condition got false here. That's why it is going to else condition. Let's see the. If you observe, the condition is false now. So it came out of it has not entered directly, it went to else condition. Okay, it has checked some condition and okay, now I'll change to 5. Okay, let's run. Again, the condition is false here. If I use like this, that means if I give a correct condition, that means 0 is less than 5. There is no need to use only I, because you can use whatever the variable you want. You can use generally most of them will use I. Okay. Now see the output. You are getting 0, 0, 0, so on. You observe, you are getting 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Because here we have it is executing correctly. We have not done any mistake here. Just we have given while loop and we are going to print something. Here, what the condition we have given, I equal to 0 while I is less than 0, less than 5. That means 0 less than 5. True, right? So we are telling that to print I, 0 will again go here. Again it will compare 0 is less than 5. If it is true, again it will print 0. Again 0 will go here. Like this, loop will rotate here itself. Okay, it will not go to 1. Actually the process should be it has to go from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. But here it is doing operation only with 0. Okay, now we have to make 0 to 1. How we can make? Stop this. It will execute up until it will have some limit like 1296 lines, like that, approximately. After that it will stop with an error, or else you can stop here manually. Stop again. Yeah. Now I will change my I value to 1. How can I do? Means by incrementation. I have explained you what is increment and decrement. Okay. How we can do increment means I equal to I plus 1. Okay. Or else I plus equal to 1. In this two, whatever the format you are comfortable with, you can use that format. Okay. Whatever the format you can, both will execute the same output. When you these two lines will give same output, but you have to use only one line. Okay, one format. So I am using this one. Will be very easy to explain you. Okay, what is how the I value is increasing here means I equal to what is the value of I here. I am assigning here. I am not comparing. Okay, I am assigning here. Before my I value is 0, 0 plus 1. So my I value will become 1. 1 will move here. 1 will move here, and the I value is 1, right? First of all, let's see the output. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now yeah, we got 0 here. 0 is less than 5. It is true. That's why 0 is printed. Now I am incrementing my I value to 1 by giving I equal to I plus 1. Now my I value became 1 because 0 before my I value is 0, right? Here also. Before I value is 0, 0 will come here. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. So my I value became 1 here. Here it will check 1 is less than 5. True or false? 1 is less than 5. True or false?
True.
Yes, true, right? Now I will print here. Okay, I want to print I have given a statement like I. Okay, to print I. So in the I we have 1 as its value. So I'm printing this. Now I'm incrementing my I with 1. Okay, I equal to what is the value of I before 1? Okay, 1 plus I'm incrementing with plus 1 plus 1. My I will become 2 here. Okay, I will become 2. Now it will check 2 is less than 5. True or false? It is true. So I will print I. It will enter into the loop and I will print I. Now my I value will increment with uh, 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. It will check. It will check 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. It is true. So 3 will be printed here and my 3 will become 4 now with the incrementation. Now it will compare 4 is less than 5. It is true. So 4 will be printed here. My 4 will become 5 with the incrementation with 1. Now it will compare 5 is less than 5. True or false?
False.
False. So it will come out, it will not enter into this loop. It will increment to 5, but it will not enter into this loop. Directly it will come to else block. It will the condition here is false, so it will come to else condition. Now tell me, is this true or false? I got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 before. Now I am giving 5 is less than or equal to 5. True or false?
True.
True. Let's see the output. So 5 should also be printed here. Let's see whether my 5 will get printed or not. Yeah, 5 also got printed and my 5 will become 6 now. It will compare 6 is less than or equal to 6. It is false. So it will come to condition triggered false. And we can also print end of the loop. Okay. Do you have any doubts in this? This is a basic program for while condition. You can easily understand.
So for when I'm trying the code on my own thing,
Yeah.
the numbers are not being printed.
Okay. Mm, uh, do you following this indents? I mean spaces. You should
Yeah,
follow these spaces. Okay.
yeah, there's no error being shown.
No error. Can you share me your screen?
Okay. Mm, yeah,
Stop here.
I think.
Yeah, yeah. Share me your screen.
Are you able to see my screen?
Can't see your screen.
Oh, uh, sorry.
You find this icon, share
Yeah, it's okay. I think it's having some problem connecting.
problem, or else can you share the pic of the program?
Yeah, sure.
Is your condition getting true or false? Have you checked it? Your I is 0. 0 is less than 0. True or false?
It's coming as false, like condition true false.
Right?
Yeah,
0 is less than 0, right? Sorry, 0 is less than 0. False, right?
yeah.
You have to give, in place of 0, you have to give the number, whatever the number you want to catch, that number you have to give. You are
Oh,
comparing your 0 with 0 only.
yeah,
You have to compare it with 5, right?
yeah. Okay, okay. Sorry. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Shaira, have you done this?
Yes.
If you have any problem, just ping me. We can solve this. Okay. Yeah. Shall I move to the next program? You got clarity in this program?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'm moving to the next program. Yeah. If okay, I will continue with this program only. Okay. If I want to find first n natural numbers, okay, I'll give some input here. So I should get the numbers up to that input. Okay. I want to, here I have given my value static. I mean, within the program, I have given the value, but I don't want to give here. If I want to give in terminal, just here, int of, as I am giving an integer, so you have to mention int, okay? Enter number, uh, enter number, okay, it is, okay. Now you have to compare I with the number which you want to get cash. That means 0 to the up to the number whatever you want. Okay, I'm giving NUM here. I'm running this program. It will ask for an input. I'm giving as 100. I got up to 100, 0 to 100, because I have given less than or equal to. How many times you want to run, you can run, you can give whatever the number you want, you can give, but it will take some time. Okay. If you have fast processor, you can also get crores of numbers instantly. Okay. Yeah. Very loops are used for this purpose only. Okay. It will save our time. And now I'll show you another program. Let's do even numbers up to 100. Okay. I'll give my input on my phone. I don't want to give the input static. Okay. Int, input enter a number while I is less than or equal to this num. Print I print I equal to, yeah. Is there anything wrong with my code?
Your N is like undefined.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Is it right now?
Yes, but no, you didn't define I.
Have to define I.
Yeah.
I equal to Just give me a second. Yeah. Let's see the output now. I'm getting 100, but my requirement is to get uh, only even numbers. To get even numbers, if my I is divided by 2, then if I get my remainder as 0, then you have to print I. Okay, don't put your incrementation inside if condition. Okay, you have to keep your incrementation within the while loop itself. You should not give in your uh, while loop. Okay, you have to give, yeah, you should give your incrementation within the while loop, not in if condition. Okay, remember that. When I'm the program, if I give 100, I got only even numbers from 0 to 100. Okay, you can do the same thing without using any condition here. How you can do that means print I. You can increment your I value to 2. Let's see the output now. I'll give 100. Yeah, you got all the even numbers because as we started I with 0, we got all the even numbers. If I start my I, if I give I value as 1, I'll get all the odd numbers because my I will start with 1, right? Here my 1 will become I equal to 1 plus 2 equal to, my I will become 3, 5, 7, 9, like that. Okay, so if you want to find even numbers, you have to initialize, I mean you have to assign I as 0, then you can increment with 2, or else you have our regular condition. If it is modulus by 2, then if you have your answer as your reminder as 0, then even numbers will get printed. Okay, yeah, are you facing any issue while doing this? No. Please respond.
Indentation, I'm not sure why is it wrong.
You're getting wrong with the indentation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you placed colons here after if and while conditions? Whenever you are using while loops and conditions, you have to mention colons. Okay.
Yeah, I've placed colons.
After entering, it will take indent automatically. But if not, just give a tab space before if condition, and inside if condition you have to give again one tab, and before incrementation you have to give one tab, or else can you show me the program, I mean can you share me on WhatsApp?
Okay, now it's correct. Yeah, I changed it. Yeah.
Now what about you, are you doing, or else you will do afterwards? Is she listening, or she's having any network issue? Okay, let it be. Okay, let's do another program. uh, Incrementation, we can also count the number of loops by using this incrementation only. We are going to use this count in our programs. Just I will explain you how a count is working. I'm initializing my I value to 0 while I is less than 5, sorry, greater than 5. Print I. Okay, I'll give my count. Okay, C and D. Int not I. How we have used I in the same way we can also use count, or else I will. Okay, I will show this in the program. Okay, I'll show. Okay, if I want to count the number of digits. Okay, I want to count the number of digits now. Let's. I'll give an input. Here I'm initializing my count equal to 0 while my number is greater than 0. Greater than 0. I'm counting my number here. Print CND. Okay, I want to count the number of digits in my input. I mean, if I give my input as 5, 6, 7, 8, I should get the digit count as 4. Yeah, I'll give. Okay, first of all, okay, I'll give 5, 6, 7, 8. Something is going inside. Yeah, loop is running inside. I'll print my count here itself. Let's see the 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you observe, I'm getting some different kind of output here, but my requirement is not that I should. My requirement is to get my count here. Okay, the number of digits. So, for example, let's consider a small number like 153. The count of digit is 3, right? Here the count of digits is 3. How you can find the count of these digits means by removing each and every number from the original number. That means I will divide this with 10. I'll keep it comments. I will divide 153 with 10. 10 15s 115, and I will get my output as 3. Okay, again I'll divide 15 with 10. 10 153, sorry, 15, 10 ones, 1. I'll get my 905. Again, I'll divide 10 153, 5, 0, 0, and I am getting my output as 5. Okay. Let's see the output first. Afterwards, let's discuss this logic. Okay. I'm giving my count as 0 while my number is greater than 0. I'll divide this number with 10 and I'll increase my count here. I'll increase my count here. Let's see the output. 1, 10. I should get 3 as output. I'm getting 3 as output here. Let's make it dry run here itself. Okay, so that you'll have more clarity. Here, I'm giving my value as 153. It is checking 153 is greater than 0 or not. Yeah, it is greater than 0. So it is true. Now num equal to 153 by 10. Okay, 153 by 10, 15's 3. We are getting this value into NUM. Okay, my count is increasing from 0 to 1 now. Okay, CNT is equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1 now. Okay, now here I'm not sending my count here. Before I have sent my I value, right? In even number, I have sent my I value. Okay, now here I'm sending this number into here. Okay, so it is comparing 15 with 0. It is true. It is true. So here 15 by 10, 15 by 10, 10 once 10, we will get 5 as output, sorry, coefficient. So in num, the 5 will be stored and my count will increase from 1 to 2. Okay, here I have used incrementation, right? My count has become 2 now. Now I am sending number, don't get confused. I am sending just number, not count. Okay. Now I got my output as 5, 5 is greater than 0, and here 5 by 10, and here my count is increasing to 3. And when you try to do this, you will get your coefficient as 0. Okay, so 0, 0 is greater than 0. It is false statement. That's why I am getting my output as 3. Okay, I'm printing count, not NUM. Okay, if you have any doubts, let's print NUM also. Print NUM. Uh, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 5. It is dividing each and every number in the same way. Let's do 153. I think done something wrong here. Okay, we are getting 153 and 15 and 1 and 3. Okay, it sorry, and 1. It can't divide 1. Okay, it can divide 15. Okay, oh sorry, you have to consider 1 here. Considered 5. I have considered reminder. You should not consider reminder. You have to consider coefficient. Okay, here we are getting x. Yeah, before we are doing it 153, we got coefficient as 15. We are getting this coefficient here, and I got coefficient as 1. Now I am getting this coefficient here. You will get a 0. You will get remainder as 1 here. Okay, in this way you have to think on your own and you have to write programs. Okay, Lakshmi, have you done with this? Do you have any doubts, both of you?
Like, could you explain like the what the program is doing? Because like I'm getting confused.
Okay,
With,
here
yeah.
I am counting the number of digits in my output. Okay, my requirement of my program is to count the number of digits in the input which you have given here. Here I have given 153. So the digit, how many digits are there in my output, in my input?
3.
3 digits. Okay, now I'm going to count each and every number now. Okay, from 153 I have to count each and number. How can I count? Means I have to implement some logic to divide, to remove each and every number for the single loop. Okay, if I remove each and every number in a single loop, I can get my count of input number. That means if I have given four, four numbers as my input, it has to rotate 4 times, right? It has to take loop for the 4 times. How can you remove each and every number? Means you can use this floor division to remove each and every number. If you use this normal division, you will get values in decimal points. You can't get the output. You will get the output as it has count of 326. Okay, if you
Okay,
use
so
lower division, you can able to do the perfect division. Okay,
can I
yeah.
send you code because I think it
I
so you have to count the number of digits in the input, right?
Yeah.
So for example, if I enter 2000 means the the output should be 4.
Yeah, 4.
Okay,
What
so
what is
uh,
the output you are getting there?
for me I'm not getting it's not doing the floor division for me for every step. So once I enter the number, it will just show 4. So
Because
if it's
I have
2000,
given a print statement here. I
oh,
think you have not mentioned that statement. Just to know whatever the number you are getting from the after division, just for a clarification, I have included this statement in my program. There is no need of using this statement. Okay. If
okay,
if anyone asks you to count the number of digits, just give the count only. Okay. Don't print unnecessary statements. Okay. Just
okay,
for your clarification, you have to use these statements. Okay, what in what step what is going on in your program. Okay, to get clarified, you can use that statements. Okay,
okay.
yeah. Still, do you have any doubts? You can ask.
No.
No. Okay. Uh, uh, let's go with another program. For example, uh, what is the strength of your class? I mean, your class. Yeah,
Like
strength of your. Huh?
30 students in our
At
class.
least
Yeah.
uh, and 36. Okay, you have 30 students in your class. How many do you will in your university? Do you have any sections, a section format, or one group, only one section, or you will have multiple sections in single group?
So for one course, we'll have multiple classes, sections.
I'll take my own example. I'll take my own example. Okay. So here I want to explain you. If I have 100 students, if I have 100, I am not using any while loop here. Just to have an idea, I'm explaining this program. Okay. Uh, if I have 100 students and 4 sections, all the 100 students should be divided into those sections equally. If I have 100 students, each section contains 25 students. If I have 104 students, it should divide as 26, 26, 26. If I have 103 students, the last remaining student should be added to the last section. Okay. I will show you the example. Students equal to students. Yeah. If I want to divide them equally, you have directly you can divide like two students by 4. Print student. Let's see the output afterwards. Let's discuss. I'll get 25 in each and every class. I said I have 4 sections, right? Let's see what we can do this. So, print. Okay, I have 4 sections, so I'm dividing it into 4. So 100, I should get 25, 25, 25, 25. Just I'm printing the same thing. Okay, if I give 100 and 4 students, I should get 26, 26. If I give 103, I'm getting 25, 25, 25, 25. But this is not my requirement. I have to, if I get 103, I should get first 3 25s and the remaining as 28. Okay. How can you find the extra members in my, extra numbers? How can you find that? I am dividing my count with 4 and I'm getting my just getting my uh, sorry 525 100. Yeah, 100, and I'm getting my remainder as 0. That's why it is dividing my when you are using modulus, it was I am getting my coefficient here. Okay, my coefficient here. If I use 3 here, I'll get my remainder as 3, right? So that I'm getting my extra count, right? If I give 104, you will not get 4 as remainder. You will divide with 26 and you will get your output as 0, your remainder as 0. So we can come to know that if you have given any number that is not divisible by 4, then you will get some remainder here. So I'll find my remainder here. Some extra students equal to students modulus. To get remainder, you have to use modulus, right? Modulus 4. Okay. I'll print those extra students. Something. Okay. Let's see comments. Yeah, I'm giving 100. Okay. Extra students are 0. When I give my as 103, I'm getting my extra students as 3. Simple. You can add your extra students here. Now let's see the output. 103. If you observe, I'll remove this. You can also give statements like section E, section B, like that. Okay, section A. You can view this for each print statement. Now let's see the output. Okay, we'll have section A 25, section B 25, C 25, and this is the logical question which is frequently asked in most of the interviews. Okay, just to have an idea, and I'm explaining this. I have interrupted the while loop. Suddenly, actually, I forgot to explain you this program yesterday. It is very simple, but when someone asks you to do this one, you will get confused. Okay, should not get confused while asking these simple questions. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any doubts in this program? Please let me know.
So here we are assuming that the number of sections will be 4.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Just we are assuming. That's why I have divided with floor division with 4 sections. Not if you have 3 or 5, you can in place of 4, you will give 5. Whatever the numbers you want, you can give here according to the number of sections. Okay. You have to change both of them. Okay. If you have 5, you have to mention 5 there. Instead of 4, you have to mention 5, and you can include another print condition. Okay.
Okay. Then how can we include like a while loop in this scenario?
No need to there is no need to give while loop here. Okay. It is totally depends on operators only. Okay. We can do many things in while loop. Let's see. Okay. Let's see different kind of programs in this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Mhm. Uh, okay, let's do factorial. Okay. Factorial of a number. Right. Using while loop. Do you know what is factorial?
Yes.
Yeah. What is factorial?
Like, for example, if you take 3 factorial, it equals to 1 times 2 times 3.
3 times 2 times 1. Okay. 3 times 2 times 1. If you take 5, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? 5,
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1. In this format, you will get 5 times 4 times 3 times 9. Okay, this is 5 factorial, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You will have an output of, you will get an output like, I think 125, 4, 20, 60, 120. Yeah. You'll get your output as 120. Let's do this in while loop. Okay. Yeah. I want to give I don't want to give static number. I'll give the whatever the number I want. I want to give that. Okay. Uh, int of put. Yeah. While I is I then n print n. You have to define I here. I equal to 0, and I want to increment I equal to I plus 1. Let's see the output first. I will give 5 here. I should get. I am getting 5, 5, 5, 5. I don't, that is the wrong one. So what I will do means, okay, I'll give n is greater than 0, n is greater than 0, print n, and I'll increment n. Okay, I'll increment n. See the program. You have to think on your own. How many ways you want, you can write this. Okay, this also you will not get the perfect output here. I'll give 5 here. I'm getting different. I'm getting infinite numbers. Okay, okay. This is not the perfect one because always n will become 0. N is greater than 0. Okay, whenever you increment n, it will go to infinite numbers. Infinity is greater than 0, right? Lakhs, it will go to lakhs, crores of numbers. Okay, always the condition will get true here when you increment. So I don't want to increment now. I will increment this n. Let's see though. I give 5. Simply I got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. So I got my requirement from 5 to 1 now. You can also do with the help of increment. Okay, simply you know how to display uh, some of I mean natural numbers, first n natural numbers. The same way you can do with that, but just to explain you what is the incrementation, I am using this concept. Okay, now here I am getting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 now. Now I want to find factorial. I don't want to get these numbers from. Just I will have fact into n. Whatever the number I am getting here, I am multiplying that number with this fact. So you have to define this fact before, right? Fact equal to 0. See the output. What you thinking, you will get the perfect output, or you will have any error, or you will have the wrong output? You have only 3 options: right output, wrong output, error. What you will get here according to you? And also I will print this fact. Okay, yeah, according to you, what may be the output? Just think and tell. Whatever running in your mind, please tell me that.
There's no output.
Let's see. I am giving 5. I should get 120, but I am getting 0. Observe the program clearly. I am multiplying my fact with the number which I am getting here. First of all, I am getting my 5, right? I am multiplying with fact. Here, what this fact means? 0. 0 times any number, you will get output as 0 only, right? So you have to replace your 0 with 1 now. Let's see the output. 5. I'm getting 120. Okay, you have to think logically here. Okay, keep on doing these programs. Okay, these basic programs, your brain will get sharp and you can able to do the programs on your own. You can also do the same program in different format. Okay, try to think logically. Okay, yeah. Do you
Okay.
have any doubts in this program? If you have any doubts, we can make it dry run here. If
No,
you don't
no doubt.
get clarity, I will make it dry run here. If you don't get clarity in this program.
No doubts.
No doubts. Okay. Now let's do another program like. Do you have any idea on the strong number, perfect number line?
Sorry, could you repeat?
Do you have any idea on strong number, perfect number? Do you have any idea?
Not that sure.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. No worries. Okay, let's do another program. Okay. My requirement is to print stars like this. Whatever the number you have, you will give as an input. That many series of stars has to be printed in my terminal. Okay. First of all, if I give 5, it has to start with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars. Instead of numbers, I have to get stars. Okay. What is the approach for doing this program?
Not too sure.
Okay, no problem. While uh, while I is less than 5, I'm giving my number static here. Int I, I'm incrementing I equal to I plus 1. Okay. Let's see the output. I'm getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? I don't want to get 0 here. I want to get 1 to 5 and give 1 here. So that I can able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll print stars here. Star into I. Star times I. Simple, right? Is there any complexity in this program? Very simple. Okay. You can multiply a string with an integer. This is integer only. Okay. I is integer, right? You can multiply string with integer, but you can't do addition with string and integer. Okay. Can we perform addition operation between two strings? Already we have done that program. Can we perform addition between two strings? Just tell me.
No.
No. Can we perform addition between one string and one integer?
Yes.
Are you practicing our programs?
No, you can't. You can't multiply.
You can multiply here. What we have done here? I have multiplied a string. Okay, a string with whatever the thing which is in quotes is called string, right? String with integer. I is integer only, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Just I am multiplying this. Okay. Okay. You can't add hello plus 1. Okay. You can't add a string with an integer. Okay. You can't add, but you can add two strings. So some high. Okay. This is called concatenation. We have done this program. Okay. You should revise, you should make practice the programs. Okay. Then only you can able to do the exercises which you have given for university. Not but you can't do that program while seeing that questions. Okay. uh, okay, no problem.
So, for when you did the print asterisk multiply by I. Sorry, never mind. So I must be 1, right? If it's 0, then it won't.
Won't print the star over there. For example, I will take some dollar symbol here. 0. Yeah, if you observe, you will get a space here. Okay, an empty line here. Okay, empty line, and you will get all dollar symbol like this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you are getting confused, I'll print I also here. I. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if you are not clear with this program, I am able to explain once again.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, okay. Uh, I'll show you another format here. Do you know what do you mean by Fibonacci series? Do you know what is Fibonacci series? Fibonacci. Do you have
We
any idea about? Huh?
we have a brief idea. It's like a pattern sequence, right?
For example, if Fibonacci series starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have these numbers, right? How the Fibonacci series will get calculated means 0, 1, and before number 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Before number, it will add with the before number, and you will get the output as another number. Okay, you will get 5 plus 3 as 8. 8 like this. You will have your series like this. Okay, 8 plus 5, 13. You will get your series like this. Okay, you will get your series like this. First of all, let's try to find out whether your number, I will give an input, and uh, I should get my output as whether it is Fibonacci series or not. Afterwards, we can find the series of numbers. Give an input. Sorry, sorry. Give an input. If uh, if n is 0 or n is 1, you can directly say that it is a Fibonacci number. Then, uh, else, okay, else I'll write the program. I'm taking my first number as 0 and second number as 1 because number starts with 0 and 1, right? And I am adding last two numbers, that is nothing but 0 and 1. Okay, x plus y. And now I am using the while loop here. While z is less than or equal to the number which I have given, then x will become y and y will become z. You will get little confused here, but I'll explain you the flow here. Okay, if z equal to x plus y again, if my if my z is equal to number, then you print. So have to use from here. Print breaking the loop here. I don't want to rotate the loop once again. In while else print not a Fibonacci FEBANA6EI. I think the spelling is that. I'll run this and I'll give my input as 13. Oh, I'm getting my, okay, it is not num n. And give my, okay, I got FEB because it is a Fibonacci. I'm giving for not a, my code is working perfect. Okay, generally Fibonacci series is like 0, 0, 1, and 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, like that. It will go like this. The flow will be like this. Okay, it will add with the before number and you will get the next number. Okay, now let's see what we have done in our program. I have given my input as 13 here, 13 here. It will check whether my number is 0 or 1. Okay, my number is neither 0 nor 1, so it will come to else condition. Here my condition is false, my number is 13, but here it is comparing with 0 and 1. Okay, here my condition get false and it will come to else block now. Okay, I am giving my x as 0 because the numbers start with 0, 1, right, and y with 1. Here, what is my z value? Z value is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. My z value is 1 here. Now, 1 is less than or equal to 5. It is true, right? I am taking numbers which are less than my number. Okay, I got z here. Now, my x become x is equal to y means I am assigning my y value to x. I am assigning 1 to x. Okay, my x will become y because if you find my y is 1 here. Okay, are you getting my point?
Sir,
If you
could
are,
you explain?
yeah, here I have initialized my x, y and z values. Okay, here I have initialized my x as 0, y as 1 and z is x plus y. Okay, I am adding before two numbers here and I got my z value as 1 here. Okay, now I came to a condition, I came to a loop here. My z is less than or equal to 5. True or false? 1 is less than or equal to 5. True or false? Just tell me.
Why is, sorry, could you repeat your question?
Okay, is this condition true or false? Z is less than or equal to n. My n value is 5 and z value is 1.
True.
True. If it is true, then it will go inside the loop, right?
Yes.
And here I am assigning values. If you observe clearly, I am not comparing my values here. I am assigning y value to x. So what is the value of y before? What is the value of y?
1.
1. I am assigning 1 to x. Here my x will become 1 now. And I am assigning z to y. What is the value of z here?
X plus Y.
X plus y. X plus 5 is 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So my y value also become 1 now. Okay. You got clarity here?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, what is the value of z? Just tell me. Z equal to x plus 5. What is the value of x and y now?
Mm, both are 1.
1 plus 1. 2, right?
Yes.
2 only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Here, again, a condition has been raised here. Uh, what is the value of my z here? What is the value of z?
1.
1. Here, my z value became 2, right?
Yeah, 2, 2, 2.
2. 2 is equal to what is my input I have given? What is the value of n?
5.
13. Okay.
Okay,
I have
okay.
given my value as 13 here. Okay. I'm comparing with 13. Okay. Is this true?
No.
No. So it will not go inside this loop and it will again come here. What is the value of z here now? What is the value of z?
Oh, z is x plus y. 1, 1.
Z value became 2 here. Okay. Don't get confused. Okay. Here also you have said 2 is that 2, right? Z is 2, right?
Yeah.
Already we got z here. We are we are using the z value here and we are doing some changes here itself. Okay. You should not consider these values now. Okay. You should see the conditions or the values changes here itself. Okay. In this while loop, don't go here. Okay. Don't go here. Okay. Just check
Okay.
here. My z value is 2, right?
Yeah.
Here I have given my, sorry, 13 only. Okay. 2 is less than or equal to 13. True or false?
True.
True. Okay. Don't get confused. Please keep full concentration here. What is the value of what will be my x value now? Already all my values have changed here. X, Y, Z values have been changed here. What will be my x value now?
1. Sorry, now it will be 2,
What is the value of y?
1.
1. I am assigning y value to x, right?
Yeah.
So my x value become 1 only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the value of y now? Just tell me.
Y is also 1.
Why? How? What is my z value?
Wait.
I'm assigning z value to y. What is the
Yeah.
z value?
Z value is also 1.
This is the third time I have say explain you the value of z here. Okay. Shall I explain you once again? Shall I explain you once again?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't get confused. Okay. Shara, are you clear with these points? If you have any points, you can raise any questions here. Okay. Here I have given my input as I'll take my input as 5. Okay. Keep it in mind. Whatever the values I am assigning, please keep it in mind. Okay. Uh, is is this condition true or false? N is compared with 0 and 1. Is this true or false? Any of the condition I have used or right. I have taken two conditions here. 5 is compared with 0 and 1. Whether it is true or false, please let me know.
True.
True. Okay. 5 equal to 0 or 5 equal to 1. Is it true? False, right? I'm comparing my n value with 0 and 1. My n value is 5. Okay. If you are getting confused, I don't worry. Okay, don't worry. We can go with another program. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I explain you once again, or else let's do another program?
You can explain once again.
Yeah, I will explain you this. Okay. I am comparing my 5 with 0 and 1. This is false condition because 5 is not 0 or 1, right? 5 is not 0 or 1. That's why it is going to else condition now. Okay. Leave this if condition now. Okay. It is false. That's why it has sent my 5 value to else block now. Okay. Here, what I'm doing, I'm assigning x as 0 and y as 1, and I'm giving values for x and y on my own because my numbers start with 0 and 1. Because Fibonacci series start with 0 and 1. So I'm giving my x as 0 and y as 1 now. And now, with the help of x and y, I'm getting z value here. Z equal to 0 plus 1. What is the value of z here?
1.
Plus 1. Okay. Keep it in mind. Okay. My z value became 1 here. Okay. Now it is checking for this loop. My 1 is less than or equal to 5. True or false?
True.
True. Now it will come inside this loop. Consider only this loop. Okay. Consider only this loop. Don't go to else or if block now. Okay. We have to do operation in this loop only. If it get false, it will come to else condition. If not, it will rotate here itself. Okay. Now my z value is 1 here. Okay. 1 is less than 5. It is true. So it is entering inside this loop. Now what is the value of x now? I mean x, I am assigning y value to x. Okay. What is the value of y before?
1.
1. So my x will become 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the value of z before?
Also 1.
1. I am assigning my z value to y means in z I have 1 as its value. So I am assigning it to y. Now tell me what will be the value of z here?
2.
2. Okay. Z equal to 2. Perfect. Is z is 2 is equal to 5? True or false?
False.
False. So again it will come here. Okay, it will carry the z value to the while loop now. What is the value of z now? Think properly, and uh, all my values have changed. Okay, x value have changed, y value changed, and z value also changed here. Okay, x became 1, y became 1, and z became 2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 2 is less than or equal to 5. True or false?
True.
True. So it will come inside the loop. And what is my y value before?
1.
1. Okay. 1. What is my z value? What is my z value before? Z is
2.
2, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I am assigning z value to y, so y became 2. Now tell me what is the value of z now? X plus y,
3.
3. Okay, x is 1 and y is 2. Here I am getting x plus y and my z value became 3 now. Okay, is 3 compared with, if 3 compared with 5, will it become true or false?
False.
False. So again my z value will carry here 3 is less than or equal to 5. True or false?
True.
True. It will come inside the loop. What will be my x value now?
1.
1. What is the y value? I'm assigning y value to x. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Oh,
what is the value of y?
sorry. 2. 2. It will become 2.
Y became 2, right? Y
Yeah.
became 2. Yeah. Now x became 2 because I'm assigning y value to x here. Okay. Now what is the value of y now? I'm assigning z value to y. Think carefully and just tell me the answer.
3.
Y value is 3. Okay, very good. Because my z value is 3, so I'm assigning that value to y. Now tell me what will be the my z value now? X plus y.
5.
Very good. 5. Is 5 is equal to 5?
Yes. True.
So it was printing feb, and I don't want to rotate my loop again and again. Okay, just I am breaking and I'm coming out of the loop. Okay, I do, that's it. Okay, I don't want to print any of the statements. Okay, just print feb and it should come out of the loop. I'll run this program and let's see the output. If I give 5, it will get feb. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, that's it. It is very easy. Try to make a dry run of, of this program. Okay, try to make a dry run. I will explain you the series of Fibonacci series in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you have any doubts in this class? If you have any doubts in this specific program, try to do on your own. If even though you are not getting, just ping me. Okay. We can discuss once again, or else while doing series of Fibonacci series, also we can discuss this. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Shara, what about you? If you are not able to speak, just chat. You can
It's
drop a
okay.
message.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Uh, okay. That's all about today's class. Or
Okay.
else, should I continue with another program? We have already we have done with 90 minutes of class. Okay, I will go with one. Do you have interest to do one more program? If you have interest, I can proceed with one more program.
I think because we have another something else later on, so I think we can continue tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Okay then. Okay. That's all
Yeah.
about today's class. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah. Thank
you.
you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.